How to turn off trending searches on Google Chrome. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn off all of the trending searches that are being shown in your Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Google Chrome application from your device. As you can see that these are all the trending searches that are being displayed in my Chrome page. In case you would like to turn it off as well, you will see a settings icon just beside the Discover. Tap onto it. Here, simply tap on Turn Off. Refresh your page, and this is how you can turn off all of the trending searches from your Google Chrome. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.